Hey you guys, so let's get into the tea. I'm about to make the liquid that the fish is going to simmer down into. I am allergic to seafood stock and shrimp stock, so I'm using this packet stuff. And you just want to put it into a pot, add some water to it, and just let it simmer for about 5 minutes just to get all the juices and as much flavor as you can out of what's in the contents of the packet. So just add the water to it, put it on the stove, medium heat, 5 minutes, just to get it to bloom, basically. So these are the veggies right here. I have onions, a jalapeno, carrots, and that right there is pumpkin. You can use whatever pumpkin or squash that you have available. I am not calling this Jamaican steamed fish because the flavors are not the same. However, the technique is the same. So this is my snapper. I washed it up with some lemon juice and water, and I just have it on a paper towel just draining while we're about to season it up. So you can season it however you want to. I'm just going to go with the Creole seasoning on both sides, and that's pretty much it. I'm keeping it nice and simple because the majority of your flavor will be in the liquid that the fish is actually going to simmering. So this is the liquid right here. I strained it because you don't want to keep the noodles. There's noodles in that packet, so make sure you guys strain it. Saute your veggies just like I'm doing here. That's the jalapeno, the onion, the garlic, the pumpkin, and yeah, you want to saute that down. You want to season it. And then you're going to add the liquid to it, which is a clip that I cannot find anywhere, you guys. But I did add the liquid to it, just like you see here. Then you want to season it. I used some habanero sauce. I used some adobo. Covered it so the pumpkin can cook. It took about 10 minutes. You want to then add your fish. As you can see, the fish is not submerged. Do not put so much that you submerge the fish like it's completely covered. You want it to come up halfway like you see mine, just like this. So once you add all your fish, you're going to cover it and let it simmer about 15 minutes. And it's going to be so delicious and perfect, just like this. This fish was so delicious, and it was just so easy to make, and it didn't take much. You know, it has the pumpkin, the onions, the jalapeno, the garlic, the thyme, the seasonings. It was just so good, you guys, and the fish was just so flaky and moist and just delicious, not overly salted, and just look at it. Look how flaky this fish is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll catch you on my next one. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, you guys.